is a consultant to Africa Environmental Report, and he will be helping us when it comes to prevention of pollution as far as extraction of natural resources is concerned. Then we have Mr. Nibashidas, which he happens to call and apologize that our program and over late on the program he had this morning, and he's not going to make it in time. He's a female consultant as far as mapping is concerned. He's a cartographer and a surveyor. We have Madame Ebai Shela. She herself, she's a teacher, and she had a class this morning, and she told me that she will be done the class at 10, and she might be here at 11 o'clock. So she's in charge of communication. We have Madame Penny as far as the documentation of the activities of African Environmental Watch is concerned. She's going to take part of that. And we have Mr. Albert Brian Fletcher. He is a computer engineer. He will be giving us technical advice as far as using the digital technology to create awareness of environmental management. Then we have our spokesman. If most of you were watching the STV, he specializes in mass communication. Mr. Jinga John Paul Sama is our spokesperson.